Excel ACCRINT function. This function returns the accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest. ACCRINT stands for accrued interest. It is one of the key financial functions for bond analysis. The syntax is ACCRINT with parameters issue, first underscore interest, settlement, rate, par, frequency, and two optional parameters, basis and calc underscore method. Notice this function has more parameters than most financial functions because it handles periodic coupon payments. There are 8 arguments. Issue, the security's issue date. First underscore interest, the first interest date. Settlement, the date the security is traded to the buyer. Rate, the annual coupon rate. Par, the par value, which defaults to $10,000. Frequency, the number of coupon payments per year, 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, or 4 for quarterly. Basis, an optional day count basis from 0 to 4. And calc underscore method, which controls whether interest accrues from the issue date or the first interest date. Here's an example. We have a security issued on June 27, 2016, with its first interest date on August 1, 2016. The settlement date is December 1, 2016. The annual rate is 10%, par value is $1,000, frequency is 2 for semi-annual, basis is 3 for actual over 365, and calcs underscore method is TRUE. The ACCRINT function returns $43.01. This is the accrued interest that has built up on this security from the issue date to the settlement date. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when issue, first underscore interest, or settlement is not a valid date. A num error occurs when the rate is less than or equal to 0, par is less than or equal to 0, frequency is not 1, 2, or 4, basis is out of range, or the issue date is on or after the settlement date. Key points to remember. ACCRINT is for securities paying periodic interest. Use ACCRINT M for securities that pay only at maturity. The calc underscore method parameter is important. Set it to true to accrue from the issue date or false to accrue from the first interest date. The frequency must be 1, 2, or 4. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.